In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a fake Telegram account in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to create a fake Telegram account without phone number, what you have to do is to open your internet browser, click on the search bar and go to this website called TempSMSS, TEMPSMSS. Click on search. Now if you scroll down, you will see some country flags here. These are the countries of which you can use the phone number to create your fake Telegram account. So select any one country and click on it. Again scroll down. These are the phone numbers that you can use to create your fake Telegram account. So select any one number and click on this receive SMS option. Now copy this phone number. Once you have copied the phone number, all you have to do is to create your account on Telegram using this phone number. Once the account is created on Telegram, you will be required to provide the verification code that will be sent to this phone number. So in order to get that verification code, you need to come back to this page and scroll down. And here in this inbox section, you will receive the verification code. Paste the verification code on Telegram and your fake Telegram account will be created. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.